With Elite Manufacturers, we've been working on Dispatch, where you will now be able to manage your dispatches from the factory directly on the system. From the stock record, you will be able to use automation that at a certain point, when a unit is ready for collection or has a collection date booked, it will automatically create a dispatch record. Within that dispatch record, you will then be able to see all of the key information about the unit's collection. You can also manage this with various statuses, where collection has been booked, it's awaiting dispatch, and of course being dispatched. Any notes can also be added into the timeline as normal, so wherever you've got any updates or any conversations with the customer or the transporter can be added into the timeline. When you go to the collection status, you will be able to select a book collection, who the transporter is going to be, their registration number, who the driver is collecting the unit, and of course their email address. You're able to input the destination, so this would be the park or the dealer that the unit is going to, the collection date and time, and the time slot given to you by the driver. You've got the option to add in whether it's police escort or STGO. Once this information is complete, you will then be able to set the collection inspection complete and ask the driver to sign. This can be done on a mobile, tablet or desktop device. Once this is done, you can select confirm and no further changes can be made to the driver's signature box. On save, this can update automatically to say that this unit is now dispatched and update the stock record accordingly. Using the automation within the system, you could also send an automated email out to the customer or the destination to let them know that the unit has left the factory. Thank you.